Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I'm still doing Thanksgiving leftovers. This is a traditional leftover dish using the turkey, which I have veganized, of course, because we don't want to eat dead turkeys and all the other stuff that goes into this particular casserole that isn't vegan. This is turkey tetrazzini, and it's got all kinds of good stuff in it. It's got, let me see, 3 cheeses. I used some of the Violife mozzarella, some tofutti cream cheese, and some Follow Your Heart Parmesan. It starts off with sauteing some onions, garlic, sliced mushrooms, a little bit of vegan bacon, the leftover turkey, either chopped or shredded into bite-sized pieces. Let's see, green peas. You can see some of the green peas through the breadcrumb topping. Chopped black olives. I think that's everything. Plus spaghetti broken in half. And you mix that all up together, and oh yeah, some cashew cream, some of the turkey broth seasoning. Pretty sure that's it, but of course I'll have the recipe on my blog. But yeah, you mix it all up together and you put it in, I put it in this little crock, covered with breadcrumbs, and bake. So let me serve some up now. The sauce has got white wine in it too. It's got a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff. Mmm. Mmm. I love the contrast between the creamy sauce and the crispy breadcrumbs. It's good. And the bacon gives it a nice smoky accent. Can't really tell the olives are in there because they're finely minced. But I expect they're probably, adding to the umami flavor. This is really good. I like it. Mmm. Mmm. I love those peas in there too. Lots of good stuff. Mmm. Wow. I can't stop eating it. It's really good. My mom never made anything like this with leftover turkey when I was little, before I stopped eating animals. She usually just made sandwiches. Of course, we had pretty big gatherings, and she sent a lot of it home with other people, so I don't remember us having a whole lot of turkey left over, but, you don't have to have leftover turkey for this. You could probably use, like, little bits of chicken-style seitan, or even just tofu. Smoked tofu would be good. So, I will have the recipe on my blog, and I will link to it in the description. I will also link to the previous video in the description. I think I have maybe, 1 or 2 more Thanksgiving leftover ideas to do. Then we'll start getting into the Christmas stuff. So thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Regular uploads on Tuesday and Thursday, and Sunday, regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. Occasional short and miscellaneous topics on Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. Let me have one more for the road before I turn the camera off. Really nice. Baked spaghetti kind of thing. See you later, guys.